Hey, this is a video to review some free response hacks that you can make in order to be successful at answering the question. So there are some task verbs that we need to review. First of all, you may see identify, explain, calculate, justify, make a claim, or propose a solution. Today, let's review describe. So when you describe, or when you see describe as a task verb, you should be writing 2 sentences. And typically it's a statement plus an example. And you really just want the basic key details on the topic. So the format you're going to follow, whenever you see the question, it's kind of written in this format. Explain how one thing has an impact on another thing. Now when you do this, you're going to follow these 4 simple steps. First, you're going to analyze the task verb. Then you're going to break down the ideas. So each of these questions has 2 ideas. There's idea 1 and idea 2. Then you're going to construct a bridge. In other words, you're going to make some sort of connection between these 2 ideas. And then finally, you're going to determine the links. You have to answer the why or the because for each one of these. So once you have this format written down, then what you're going to do is you can start constructing your response by only putting things that you annotated. Let's do an example. So, describe how popular YouTube videos can impact the creator's bank account. So first, you want to identify the task verb, which is describe. Again, 2 sentences we're going to be writing. Now the first idea is popular YouTube videos. The second idea is the bank account. Now we got to take this a step further. So when you see a popular YouTube video, it just means that you have a lot of views. And the bank account means that there's going to be some sort of money transfer. Now we have to make a connection between the number of views and the money transfer. So what we could say is that popular views are going to get ads played before that. Now to determine these links, number of views and ads. So more views equals more popular. And the second link, you're getting paid for each ad that is played. Now let's put it all together in a response. If you have many views on YouTube, advertisers will pay you to play ads before your video. The more views you have will mean more money being transferred to your bank account. That was a successful response to a question with describe. Now let's look at some content-based questions. So describe what happens when oceanic and continental plates collide along a subduction zone. Again, we're going to analyze this task verb, which is describe, 2 sentences with a statement and an example. The oceanic and continental plates colliding is the first idea, and the subduction zone is the second idea. So, whenever the oceanic and continental plates collide, the oceanic plate is denser than the continental plate, and subduction means that one plate goes underneath the other one. Now the connection between them, the bridge, is that a trench will form. So you're going to have basically 2 of these plates. One is going to go underneath the other one, forming a trench. The oceanic plate is pulled underneath, again, because it is more dense. This is part of pulling the trench, and also the oceanic plate will melt in the mantle. So let's look at our response. When 2 tectonic plates collide along a convergent boundary subduction zone, one plate will move under the other. The denser oceanic plate will move under the continental plate and melt, resulting in the formation of a trench. And there you have it. Annotation, hacks, featuring the describe task verb. I hope that this video was informative. I thank you for your attention, and I will see you soon.